Welcome to Divine Healing Channel. This is Pinky Mishra, the angelic healer and spiritual mentor. Today I will channel crystal reading. I am being guided to do channel crystal reading to provide you messages from the spirits through these crystals. This crystal reading will provide you the message or the guidance you are seeking right now for certain situations you are going through. So, I have displayed three crystals. The first one is rose quartz, the pink crystal. The second crystal is amazonite, the green one. And the third one is lipitolite. Tinge of violet and pink is set on the white. Before listening to the channel crystal messages, first you connect to your heart space. Close your eyes. Feel the divine white light surrounding you. Connect to your heart space. Speak to your higher self to allow you to choose the crystal intuitively and receive the perfect message which the Spirit wants to hear, to make you hear right now. Slowly open your eyes and choose the crystal which you feel intuitively guided. You can pause the video and select the desired crystals. Those who have chosen the pink crystal, the rose quartz, the channel message, the channel intuitive message through this rose quartz crystal is the crystal is indicating it is the time to release your past thoughts. Be willing to forgive the situations, persons which you still holding within. Time to honor yourself, let go and create a space to welcome the newness in your life. It is the time to recognize your boundaries and making people aware of your boundaries. Connect to the people who make you feel worthy and step away who doesn't make your soul feel good. Claim your power back. Focus more on yourself right now. Step away from self-criticism, wounded ego, and from unnecessary arguments, dramas of life. Time to focus more on yourself that will make you feel empowered. Don't entertain others' energies, words which hurts you. Reflect it back. Start to listen within before taking any decisions. Trust your intuitions rather being biased by outside. This practice of control will help you to pave your path towards prosperity, attracting new opportunities in your life. And trust your needs are definitely going to be met. Open yourself to divine guidance and allow the healing to occur. To boost your energy, regularly connect to Mother Earth. Listen healing music as daily practice of self-love. Those who have chosen the green color stone, that is Amazonite, the crystal channel message for them. It is the time for self-forgiveness practice. Time to wash away your tears. Step to freedom. It is showing a wonderful new beginning at horizon. But you have to hold patience till you reach there. You will get privileged to connect new people in your life. This will open you to join or connect more like-minded people, more soul-connected people, to feel more expand and feel more empowered. There is a sign that you may meet or encounter a feminine who will guide you to soothe your pain and show you the directions of integrity and self-forgiveness practice. This will show you the bigger picture of your pain which you have been through, and no doubt whatever you went through, it is completely related to your past life issues. And this was meant for your highest learning. Your feminine side will more effective. You will feel like more forgiving others. You will feel more understanding, more compassionate with others. You will head for more peace and tranquility. Your sleep will be more calm, and there is chances that you may dream a lot, which will bring clarity to certain situations you are going through in your life. To hold this wonderful energy of peace and tranquility, do regularly practice meditation. This will help you to expand your consciousness. Those who have chosen lepidolite crystal. The intuitive channel message is all your stress will be released soon. If you are struggling for something, soon you will get the solutions or miracle blessings on the way. You are going to move out of some toxic situations or patterns or something which was creating stress. You will soon step into your integrity and feel like cancelling, clearing, and deleting anything which no longer serving your highest good. You will start to feel more compassionate, more flexible, more understanding. Your feminine side will be more effective. Your wisdom will enhance to see the bigger pictures of your journey. Without any reason, you will suddenly start to feel happy and more away from toxicity of your life. You will have greater desire for simple grounded life. No doubt during this time healing music will boost you, it will help you to rejuvenate your vibration. So these are the wonderful channel crystal messages I have received. Hopefully this guidance will enhance more peace on your path. Thank you.